Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Hidayat and I would like to present to you our STA104 assignment titled Smartphone Usage Among Students. As we know, we use smartphone nowadays is just not for communication but also learning, especially for students. The widespread adoption of mobile phone for students is very fast nowadays. It's like they're spending more time on smartphone rather than their education. This fact demonstrates that students nowadays still cannot use mobile phone in good way. There's such a very negative impact that can distract from learning. It has been shown that students use smartphones more often and more frequently rather than academics stuff. Students also easily distracted by mobile phone devices as they not pay attention at their class. And this causes students to just able to make it to the first period due to their devotion of smartphones. Now, let's talk about our objectives of study. First is to identify demographics profile of respondents. Second, to investigate how often students check their phones in 1 hour. Third, to know what students use their smartphone for. And fourth, to investigate how many hours students use their smartphone in 1 day. And finally, to investigate the reason students need their smartphone.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aini. Today I would like to present to you my part, which is methodology. For the first one is population and sample. In this study, the population consists of students from different courses and different university, which the total number of students is 150 people. Only 92 students have been chosen to answer this online questionnaire through Google Form that we have provided. For the second one is sampling technique used in study. The technique that we use is a systematic sampling technique, which is all 150 listed students from different university listed as a population. And then these two students of different university we state of sample size and how to get the interval size, which is K, which we use this formula, which is population divided by sample size, which is 150 divided by 92, and you will get the answer 2 students. In this system sampling technique, the population is 150 students of different university. This can be taken from the sampling frame that we got, since we need 92 students only out of 150 students. Okay, for 2.3 is data collection method. The questionnaire was given to Google Form as we share the questionnaire via social media. This method can be used as it's very effective to get accurate information since the simple and direct question. As you can see, table 2.3.1 is the question item that we have given to them, which is we have 2 items, which is the first one is demographic for part A, number of questions that we provide is 4. The second one is usage based experience, which is 5B, and number of questions that we provide is 44.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sharon. So today I will today I will talk about table 2.3.2 method of analysis. So the objective one is to identify demographic profile of respondent. It is measured by gender, age, study places, and status. So the chart type is pie chart, histogram chart, vertical bar chart, horizontal bar chart. Objective 2 is to investigate how often students check their phone in 1 hour. So it is measured by number of times students check smartphone in 1 hour. So the chart type is mean, median, mode, horizontal bar chart. Objective 3 is to know what students use their smartphone for. It is measured by the purpose of a smartphone. Its chart type is vertical bar chart. So the objective 4 is to investigate how many hours do students spend on their smartphone in 1 day. So it is measured by total of time spent in 1 day, and chart type is mean, median, and objective. Objective 5 is to investigate the reason students need smartphone. It is measured by reasons need a smartphone. The chart type is horizontal bar chart. So table 2.4 is section A, demographic. Gender is qualitative and nominal, age is quantitative and interval, study places is quantitative and nominal, and status is qualitative nominal. And B, lifestyle, number of times students check smartphone in 1 hour. It is qualitative and ratio. Next, the purpose of a smartphone, it is quantitative and nominal. And next, total of time spent in 1 day, it is qualitative and ratio. And the last one is reasons need a smartphone. It is quantitative and nominal.
3.1 gender. Based on figure 3.1.1, we can conclude that most of the respondents dominated largely by female students, which shows 83.70% in total 77 students, compared to the male respondent, which only consists of 16.30%, which is only 15 students answer. 3.2 age. Based on table 3.2.1, we can say that the average age for the respondents is 19 years old with the standard deviation of 2.531 years. Meanwhile, the median value shows the observation that half of the respondents' age is 19 years old and another half older than that. We also can say that the youngest respondents ranging from 18 years old all the way up to the oldest, which is 30 years old. The range of the age was found to be 12 years starting from 18 to 30 years old. The distribution is positively skewedness equal to 3.240, showing that most of the respondents are.
Hi, I'm Dina and I will take over 3.3 study places. Based on the information above, we can learn that there are many study places around and most of the respondent is based on UiT and Rembau, with 54.35%, which is more than half of the majority. The reason behind this is because we share the link for the survey widely across campus, as we also based on UiT and Rembau. The win for both parties, as they can answer without feeling hesitation, hence they also can deliver it to their friends that study at different places.
3.7 total of time spent in one day. Now we will have a quick look at the calculation parts. So we have sum of fx is equals to 916 and sum of f is equals to 92. So given the formula, the answer for me we have is 10 hours, and the interpretation is on average the respondent spent 10 hours on using smartphone in one day. So it's quite a huge number, yes. Then we have median with the answer 10.224 hours, and the interpretation is 50% of the respondent use their smartphone for about 10.224 hours daily, and another 50% of the respondent using phone less than that hours. So it's quite a very huge amount for students to spend their time in the smartphone in one day. Next we have mode. The mode we have answer of 11.136 hours, which is in the interpretation is most of the respondent students spent 11.136 hours daily on smartphone. Very number. That's it from me. Thank you.
Based on figure 3.1.7 from the other slide, the OGIF show the number of hours spent on smartphone by 92 students. Only one spent between 1 until 3 hours. Meanwhile, for about 4 until 6 hours, they only have 15 students. Following with 7 until 9 hours with 23 students. The page show that students tend to spend on their smartphone for 10 until 12 hours because, based on the respondent collected, it got 29 peak. Then the OGIF showed the downfall with 13 until 15 hours spent. It only got 25 respectively.
Based on the figure 3.8.1, the reason that students choose is widely, as each of them have their own opinion. Tools for communication is their best. The reason smartphone is one of the things that they need in their life with over 21.74%. Other options follow behind with the additional reasons such as following the trend, mobile computer, and safety, with over 20.65% voted. Most of the choice is a must to have tools for communication because basically that's what it was since smartphone was created, to making communication work seamlessly and effortlessly within the touch of the finger.
Sadly, we have come to the end of presentation. As for conclusion, smartphone usage among students has become increasingly prevalent in recent years, shaping various aspects of lives. While smartphones offer huge benefits, such as instant access to information in the internet, it's briefly making communication far easier, they also bring drawbacks. On the positive side though, smartphones provide students with wealth of education resources at their fingertips. They also can easily access sources such as textbooks, research materials, and educational apps.
Offers smartphone enables students to connect with teacher and classmates and enhance communication channel. Additionally, smartphones have become indispensable tools for organization and productivity. The accessibility and convenience can lead to improved time management skills and overall academic performance.
Then for the conclusion, however, the excessive use of smartphone can pose significant distraction and negatively impact students' focus and productivity in their daily life. So social media platforms, messaging apps, and online entertainment can easily divert attention from important tasks, leading to decreased study time and lower academic achievement. Moreover, many students spending hours on smartphone can have adverse effects on student physical and mental well-being, including eye strain, sleep disruption, and reduced physical activity.
It is essential for students to develop a healthy balance in smartphone usage, implementing strategies such as setting screen time limits. Educators and parents also play crucial roles in guiding students to make responsible smartphone choices, promoting digital literacy and providing guidance on appropriate online behavior, cyber safety, and the importance of mindful technology use can equip students with the skills needed to navigate the digital world responsibly.
Therefore, smartphones have become integral to the life of students, offering immense potential for learning, organization, and connectivity. However, it is essential to address the challenge associated with excessive usage to ensure that students maintain a healthy balance between technology and their overall well-being and academic success.